the new Billboxx interface. We'll be addressing this video in such a way as to cater to the needs of our existing users who are just waking up to see what we've built, the updates we've made, and for new users as well who are looking to get familiar with the new tool that they have in their hands. So in this first video, I'll be walking you through the login page and I'll show you around the dashboard. So I'll be logging into my already signed in account. So this is my email. My password is asterisk. Once I click login to the dashboard, then the system loads up. On the top right hand corner, you can see login successful and the welcome back greeting message. So um, this is the new Billboxx Outlook. Here we have our banking dashboard, the total portfolio, the USD wallets for our feature that is coming very soon. Also the Naira wallet and balance. We have our overview showing us all of these important metrics. We have our payables along with its charts, and then we have our receivables. These are all carried over from our previous iteration. On this same page, we have quick action buttons that allows you to fund your wallets, allows you to transfer money out of your accounts to external banks or maybe to other Billboxx users. Also, with this button, you can create a new bill, and here you can create a new invoice. There are a number of other things that are on the screen that you can pay attention to. First, we have our banner at the top, which gives you information. We gives you information that we need to pass across to you at a particular time. You can choose to close it. On this side, you have the list of menu options. For existing users, what you might be familiar with is the old interface where you just have dashboard, make payments, get paid, financing, banking, and settings. With the new interface, we are having a get started page, which I'll be talking about in another video. We are retaining the dashboard, we retain the make payments, the get paid, the financing. With banking, we also have banking. Cards are a new feature for us, so in the cards section, we'll be having physical cards and virtual cards. So you can request a virtual dollar card that you can use to shop online, and you can request a physical debit card that you can also use to withdraw your from your Naira wallet at ATMs. Make transactions with point of sales machines, that is POS machines. And our settings now comes with a new feature, two new features: users and teams, account settings, compliance, and referrals. All of which we'll be addressing specifically for new users in other videos. Also, we are now allowing users to invite their friends, majorly business owners, to sign up on the platform and earn 2,500 naira. When you refer someone to your to Billboxx, you earn 2,500 and the person also earns 2,500 naira. At the bottom here, we have the quick actions button, which allows you to access some quick actions, WhatsApp support, and you can also sign out as well. So on this UI, on this page, you have this icon which is going to be visible on your mobile. So if you want to show and hide the actions on this side menu, you can click this to hide it. On mobile, you may not see these icons, but basically, whenever you see this, it should be able to open or close your side menu. Open, close, open, close. At the top, you can also search through some activities. It grants you quicker access to some of these things. so you can navigate around the system. At the top right hand here, we have this for those who love to have different look for their system or phone. You can choose between light mode and dark mode on the system, so that's what this is for. So you can see my screen has shifted from light mode to dark mode. If this is what you prefer, when you locate this icon, this particular icon, you can switch. This is the indicator that I'm on light mode, and when you switch like this, you can see the crescent moon icon. It indicates that I'm on the dark mode. Here we have the Naira USD currency. What this basically does is allows you to view all your currencies in either NGN or USD. This doesn't apply to all features majorly, but if you are looking at your, let's say your bills, for instance, by the time you switch to USD, allows you to view the dollar equivalent at least across the metrics. The reason why this it still retains naira is because we actually have dollar bills as well. You can create a bill in dollars on this particular menu. But majorly, if you want to view all your metrics, let's say on your dashboard, um, everything shows in dollars. Everything shows in dollars, as you can see. And if I toggle the dashboard back to naira, you see how that quickly changes as well. Our notification icon still remains functional the way it is, and at the top right hand corner is the logo, which is here. Here you can also access some quick actions. You can go to your account settings, you can go to your team settings, and you can take the tour. For the tour, this is our tooltip functionality for you as a first time user of the new interface or an entirely new user. When you log in, you are going to be exposed to the tooltip. You understand? But it's possible that you close it in case you want to, know about the quick actions that you can take. This is accessible both on mobile and your laptops or computers. Just click this. When you click take the tour, this is what you get. So it takes you on a quick tour, shows you the major functionalities. Okay, create bills and manage payments, with quick context and a clue to actually try the step. Also, the second one is to create invoices and request money. Also, you can try that out. Also, this points you in the direction of your banking, lets you know where to go and what you can actually get done. So, and then the last one, if you want to finish your compliance for new users, you can click settings and locate your compliance and actually get something done. This method is optional, you can skip it, or if you want to just have a bit of a tutorial, we implemented this 4-step tooltip to aid you in the process. So I'm going to close done, and in another video I would show you around the get started menu.